Lid down, ass up, assume the position, bitch!
Check them bad boys out. Awesome sauce. So Harleys failed me. So B&H, the awesome guys that they are, have crafted me 2 brackets identical to what Harley should have done. So I'll get my bags on. Nice. Whoa! Alright, it's the big shred. We're starting down here in Cornwall. And we're going all the way up into Wales. Now, it's going to stretch over quite a few parts of vlogs, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss one.
Right, well, we're starting the journey to Wales with a bit of punk. And we're in the first traffic jam of the day. Bloody weather is glorious! And here you go, St. Austell Mountain. We are leaving St. Austell on our big journey to Wales. Oh yeah, it's going to be a weekend of doom! Lots of shredding. And we're stuck behind the first tractor. Oh my god, I haven't even got out of St. Austell yet! Ugh.
So this is Cornwall. We're in St. Austell, just leaving now. I'm going to go all the way up to Victoria Services, which is here.
So, first stop, Victoria. We always stop here, man. Anyway, we're picking up Bill on his street bob and hopefully Paul on his Sportster. Hopefully they're here because I'm late again. But as I tell everybody, a wizard is never late. Here's Bill, look, pointing me. Got it, mate. Oh, McDonald's. Yeah, let's get some food. Let's get some McMuffins. Do it. There's Paul. Awesome, that's us lot. Right, let's get some breakfast. Right, we've ate, filled up. This is some tunes. The Victoria boys are here. Let's go and find the rest of them now. Come on, Danny. Danny's coming on his glide this time rather than his Sportster bobber thingy that he's got, because we're not dragging that round bloody Wales. It's going to break down every 30 seconds.
Late night repairs. What's that leaking? Oh no!
We're ready. Yeah, get on the back, dude. Come on you get. This is our first destination, is the A30. We're going to open it up, see some nice sights, give it some shit, get the fuck out of Cornwall.
Right, so we're blasting from Victoria up the A30 towards Exeter. Oh yeah.
This is one of those rare occasions where the weather is awesome on the A30. It's absolutely beautiful down here. But majority of the time it's raining, windy, shit everywhere, people drive like clowns, bloody clown shoes. But no, not today. The planets have aligned and the A30 is giving us safe passage out of Cornwall to Wales. It's absolutely stunning. There's my boys behind me, look. Hopefully you can see them in the mirror. And we're going to go up to Exeter next. Exeter Services. Pick up 4 more, and then the last pickup is at Gordano Services before we go on the M4 into Wales to pick up Daniel. And those that watch my channel, Daniel's the guy I met there before at Gordano on his yellow Thundercat. Well, he's been aboard a yellow Harley. Can you smoke and drive? You won't catch me today, motherfucker! Yeah! Leaving Cornwall, bye-bye, into Devon. It's almost following the yellow brick road, that. Bloody hell. Who puts orange tarmac down? What's that about? Oh, bloody hell. Only an hour and 20 minutes. But now, We're coming on to the M5. Ooh. Oh, actually no, I think I'm just going to drive straight up the arse end of Ray. Hey Ray, how you doing? Well, the M5's always fun. It's always blocked, so let's see what carnage is waiting for us on the other side. Get that bank down, bitch. Head down, ass up, assume the position, bitch. Woo! It's this one! Hey! I need a brew and a wee. Ah! Put my lid back down. Oh, the plane, man! The plane! To the serve. Yeah, we're going for the serve. There's that plane.
So we've just travelled from Cornwall up the A30 towards Exeter Services, which is on the M5, just there. Now, I know it looks like it took us 2 minutes, that's because the video's edited.
Oh, bloody hell! Stop, you Mickey Mouse piece of shit! The fuck's wrong with my brakes? Oh my god! I can hear Danny's music. Danny's got tunes good. Here we are, Exeter Services. In the flesh, baby. Yeah, so now we just got to find the dudes. Should be 4 of them. Bloody hell knows, they're all on Harleys, so there could be bloody 1 of them. Bloody tanks that they are. Get out of the way, you fucking Skoda. Where's my dudes? Dudes. Boo. She shit her pants all over the fucking car park. You dirty bitch. This way. What's Mr. Up doing? Fucking stay there, you slag. These look like my dudes there, look. These are my dudes. Dudes! Come on that way, you tart. Ooh. Skadooshed. And she's off. Oh. You've done well, baby. You've done well. Here's a hug. Hug holiday. Well, I've got summer 69 on. Oh, they switched it off. Gutted.
What a cliche. Cornish pasty. Oh, the new back tyre. Proud of that, look. Got it right down that way over. Brilliant.
Right, we are departing to the fuel station now. Let's get the fuck out of Dodge. Who's this dude? Alright, dude. Some other groups nicked our spot. I was going to meet there. Right, I'm going to go bully him. Oh, dudes. Here we come. Down the street. Oh God, I feel a bit poorly today. Just got to film this. I was having issues trying to fire up that bloody Vespa. Pump it, bitch, pump it. Go on. Oh, it's kicked up, look. No, and go on. Here comes Paul. Come on, hit it. Oh dear. You want a pull string on that, like a fucking, like a mower. Davy's Beast. Where's the other 3? Are they combing their hair? Here they come. Right, let's fucking bloody trip over that shit. Let's get out, fucking Dodge. Come on, Danny, get on your bike. What a motley crew. Let's do it. Straight into the van. Ah! Oh, that fell off my bike. Right, M5 North. Let's do this shit.
So we left Exeter and we're going all the way up the M5 to Goddunder.
Lid down, ass up. Assume the position, bitch. Right. Here she goes up. Get it on, get it on. Are we on? Are we on? 70 miles an hour. Whip! Oh, come on, you're gonna have to keep up, boys. There's Paul on the Street Mob of Doom. Yeah, you'll see that quite regular on my channel, because we don't half give it some shit.
Here we go, listen to this beast.
16 miles, we're picking Dad up on his yellow Sportster. He's going to be waiting on a slip road, hopefully, see us come over and then blast back and jumping on the back of the convoy. Hopefully it all goes to plan. Who's that? Fucking hell, it's a beast and a half, isn't it? It's not right, should be on tracks, not on road. Fucking trains. The big green destruction machine. There's my boys. And we're crossing out of Devon into Somerset. Yeah, we're on our way, fuckers. Right, we're coming up to Taunton Services. We aren't stopping, but Dan should be joining us here. So we're going to have to slow right down. And hopefully he'll jump in. He should be down here on this slip road. I can't see through fucking edges. God damn it, man. I think it's back there. Did we get him? No? Oh, fuck the M5. Let's filter. Oh, it's a party. Oh. Right, time to squeeze through. Do it. Come on, you bro-keema bulk. Oh, fucking bulk bitch. Shift it. Coming through, motherfucker. I'm coming through, baby. Oh my god, what's happening here? Have it. Oh shit! Oh no, I just sneezed in my helmet. No, I can't see anything. That dog it back, look. He wants a bit. Hey, dude. Oh, I don't want it now, look. He's ignoring. Now I switch my camera on and he's ignoring me. Oh, skills, man. Skills. Hold it floor. Another hole. Wake up, people. Get off your fucking mobiles. Oh, you cock. Trying to block me. You shitbag. When you're big enough. Yeah, you flick your hair. Hair flick. Do it. Let's split some skulls. Or is it lanes? Yeah, it's lanes, isn't it? Not skulls. Have that. You slag. That's right, we don't fuck about. Oh, toilet hire. I just need a piss right now. Quick, chuck me a pipe. Oh, it's Sedgemoor Services. Oh, man.
There's bloody Sedgemoor there, look.
If you go back through onto the end of season 2 finale, well, that whole the big one, shitload of vlogs that I did, you'll see us coming up here, breaking down and trying our best to get up to Sedgemoor Services to catch the people that we'd lost. Oh, it was an absolute fucking nightmare. Sedgemoor Services gives me nightmares, I tell you. But this time, we are not stopping there. So, fuck you, Sedgemoor! Yeah! Oh, more fun to be had. Shred the traffic. Come on, out the way, bitches. Oh, yeah. Go, love you, fucking hell. Oh, they must be the services we are looking for. 12 miles of doom. Let's do it. This is us, we're nearly there. Near Gordano Services, which is Bristol, so we are probably about halfway to Wales. Halfway to our destination. Awesome. Nice sit down, cup of tea, cup of bloody tea, and a burger. Yeah, burgers. Hello. Fucking ignorant fuckers. Didn't want to wave, just wanted to jump. Oh well. Where's the bloody services? Which one is it? Is it left or is it right? Oh, shit, it's right. Bollocks. Oh, bollocks, it's a Starbucks. Oh, you slags. I don't do Starbucks because I don't pay the fucking tax. You bitches. You fucking bitches. Coming to a service station near you. Me. Hey, bitch. Here we go. Oh, what a bitch. Steady where we were going to park. What a dick. Here they are, look. There's Dan. He found us. Just run him over. It's Gordano, and we're all here. Oh yeah. Caught in the wild. Grazing, man, grazing. Alright, goodbye Starbucks, you penny pinching bastards. Oh, it's red hot. Sweating like a biatch. Oh, they've let Bunting out for us. Brilliant!
All those guys that chose the pub and didn't come here, fuck off! This is amazing! I hope they're all ready! Woo!
Oh, it's a bridge, I'm gonna jump it! Yeah!